Hi, I'm Gail and welcome back to Traveling Marlins. A little update about Diesel Dog. He's still with us and he's doing great, and thank you very much for all the wonderful comments that you left. If you didn't see last week's video, please do so. I think you're going to find it very helpful. I'm talking about 911 type emergencies. Last week I shared with you a playlist and I showed you how to put that playlist into your YouTube account. You'll find it very helpful. I got most of the videos from a wonderful YouTube channel called Pro CPR. They are professional medical experts. I pulled out some of their videos that I think are the most helpful for RVers. Take a look at last week's episode. It's only about 5 minutes long. Then this week, I'm going to talk about what I do in Google Maps that might be a little unique to you, but it also relates to the same topic of 911 type emergencies. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here in just a little bit. You'll also see that we carry an AED. In the playlist that I shared with you last week, there's a video within the playlist that talks about how to use this AED. That's one of the reasons why I have that in my list. I review that playlist once a month so the techniques are fresh in my mind. Also, we have a pet alert that has our information on it and Diesel's name should anything happen to Diesel while he's in the bus when we're away. And then also just simple things like a flashlight. Do you carry a flashlight by your bed or by the front door? We have one in both positions just in case something should happen, 911 type emergency related, then we know where those are. We also have a bag that is ready to go with snacks and water and matches and first aid things, towels, extra pair of shoes, things like that should something occur. It could be anything from a tornado, having to leave the bus quickly, or anything else where we just pick up that bug out bag and we're ready to go. So again, I'm going to share with you in just a little bit how to use Google Maps. Google Maps has a feature within it where you can save certain things. What I do, what I'm going to show you, is how to save and how to quickly get to the items that you saved. I typically save 3 things when we go to a location: the nearest hospital, the nearest vet, and then the RV park itself. So I have the information right there. Then I have this form and I'm going to share this with you as well. I'll fill out this form and I'll put it where Mark and I both know where it is. The information is in my phone, but should I break my phone, let's just say I fell, that was the 911 emergency, and I'm unconscious, Mark may not remember or may not know where to go to get to that Google save where the hospital is. So we've got this. It has the location where we are, including the site number and the emergency number for the RV location, whether it's a state park or a commercial park or whatever. And then emergency locations, I get this information from Google Maps, this little area that I'm going to show you. And we put the name and the address there, and for the vet and any other information, there's room here. And then on the back, I added this. This is where we put information about ourselves. Any type of medicines, our doctor's phone number, emergency contacts, should something happen. When you're in an emergency type situation, you may not be thinking clearly. So anything that you have written down will be very helpful just in case. I left this on here just so you could see what it is. It's one of those sheet protectors. If you don't want this hanging on there when it's on the refrigerator, which I kind of don't, you can cut it off, and then of course it's going to look more like it's laminated. But if you go to like Staples or somewhere like that, then you could get it laminated and then use something to wipe it clean and then put new information on it for the next trip that you're going on. So you've got that too. One other thing, if you have some kind of medical condition, don't forget that you can also use a medical ID bracelet. I ordered this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's a very nice bracelet. It's lasted, it's good, and you can put information on the front as well as on the back, which is kind of unusual. Most of them are just on the front that I found, but this one you can do front and back, so you got lots of room to put information. So stay tuned, and I will show you how to use Google Maps in a little bit different way. I'd like to invite you to subscribe. That helps the channel a lot. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, which will give us more tools, so we'll have better videos for you. We are about to start traveling again, so we're rearing up for that. We want to have you ride along with us. Subscribe, and it'll help us a lot, and we do truly appreciate it. Now I'm going to show you what I do on Google Maps to find the nearest hospital of where we are or where we're going, so I'm prepared. So I have Google Maps open. I'm going to go up here into the search area, and I'm going to type, well, there it is right there at the top, because I already did it. Hospitals near Pagosa Pines RV Park. And you'll see that it's going to show me where some hospitals are, of course. I typically do a little bit of research to see which one is the best, but in this instance, let's go to Pagosa Springs Medical Center. I'm going to hit that one. It takes me to it, and right up here you'll see where it says save in the bookmark. So I'm going to click there. It's going to bring up a list of things that I've already added, but I don't have anything for Pagosa yet, so I'm going to click New List. And I will put Pagosa Springs, Colorado, create. Now let's add something else. We're going to back out. We'll change it from hospitals to vet. Same thing happens. We're going to select the vet and add it to our list. One more time, let's back out of vet and let's put the RV park. To find that list again, we're going to hit save, go down to Pagosa Springs, Colorado, hit it, and there we have 3 things that we added. To get directions to any of those, you would just click on one like you normally do and then get directions. You can share with another person if you want to share these things in the list, so they will know what you will be going to and where you'll be going. You can also do the same thing on your laptop. I'm in Google Chrome, and I went to maps.google.com, and I brought up Pagosa Pines RV Park, one of our favorite parks to go to. So on the front end of this, let's do this time vet hospitals near Pagosa Pines RV Park, and it gives me this. Let's just pick this one right here. It has good stars, good ratings, and I'm going to hit save, and you'll see that there's that same list that you saw on my iPhone because it's the same account. Whoopsie. I'm going to scroll to Pagosa Springs, Colorado, and I will add it there. Over here on the screen you'll see it change the 1 to a 2, meaning there's 2 things there at Pagosa Springs, Colorado, and here they are listed. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, then please put them in the comment area below. And we will see you next week. Have a great one and have the best day ever. Bye.